Hey, this is Michael. I'm back in my 2010 Camaro. I posted a couple of videos earlier of the exhaust, of a cold startup and a couple of little revs. I figured I would do one today to let you hear what it sounds like from the inside, with the windows up and with the windows down. It's kind of quiet at cruising speeds, which is okay. The exhaust kind of wakes up a little bit more when I step on the gas. But I'm just going normal cruising speed down the road right now. And I will step on the gas here in a minute. Sorry if my car looks filthy. Kind of live out in the country. It's okay. But here's me fixing to get on the gas from inside my Camaro. It's not real loud. It doesn't get real raspy. It sounds okay for a V6. Yes, it's an automatic. But it's fine. Sorry, I seem kind of nervous making this video. I don't know why. And I'll roll down the windows here and give you a short sound of what it sounds like. The windows down. It's not too much. First did the exhaust, it seemed kind of loud and raspy a lot, but the more I drove it, the more it kind of calmed down some. I still have the stock resonators in it, the stock catalytic converters. Thinking about having the resonators removed. In the comments, why don't you let me know what you think. It might make it a little bit louder and maybe sound a little bit better. If you like the video, hit like, subscribe if you want.